If you're already a part of this YouTube family, you know this channel is a mix of men's fashion as well as social media, content creation, branding, stuff like that. And if you notice, I don't bombard y'all with a whole bunch of ads and sponsors all the time in my videos. And a lot of questions I get from y'all are like, what do you actually do? Because you make so many YouTube videos. How are you making money? How do you know all the stuff you know? What's your background? So I'm gonna break that down to y'all as fast and as quick as possible. Now the short story on my background is that I went to school for men's fashion design, dropped out because all my homies that were in my school weren't really learning about what to do next once you actually design. So I really started focusing on teaching myself about marketing. That led me to doing marketing strategy, studying and trying and experimenting, all while I was working retail at the same time. That landed me a job at Snapchat here in LA. So that moved me from Oakland, where I'm from, to LA, and then Snapchat taught me how to use tech to communicate my creative stuff and kind of just put things together on like, how does this creative thing help you then make money online, right? After about 2 years there, really digesting that and mixing it with my world of like fashion, things I was really interested in, I applied all that I learned in my new network to my personal brand, grew my personal brand, and here I am with the knowledge on both sides. So as far as my day job goes, I'm a digital marketing strategist. I'm a branding coach. So I help people, musicians, businesses, creators, entrepreneurs, CEOs, athletes build brands online and monetize those brands. That's what I do. That's my day job. And then with my personal brand, I use it as a proof of concept so I can show people, hey, if I can do it for me, of course I can do it for you. And that's how I'm able to beat out like a lot of these agencies, because I actually have proof of concept and I'm not just out here speaking from theory, I speak from experience. And because I have a sizable personal brand, I'm able to like do brand deals and help promote products and partner with companies that make sense for me, that I actually like. And on top of that, I'm very picky on the brands that I work with. You guys know I have a very particular style between the street and the dapper. I'm kind of like right in the middle. So I don't ever want to work with a brand just because they have a cool budget. I've said no to a bunch of different campaigns that have been tossed my way. I have your trust for a reason, because I'm never gonna push things that aren't of me or something that I don't believe in or don't fit the things that I'm already doing. And that's why I don't do a whole bunch of them, but I do the ones that really count. So I'm working on some stuff. I got some stuff coming up for y'all, but that's it right now. That's all I really can say. And yeah, any more questions, go ahead and leave them down in the comments. But I wanted to make this a quick video, answer the question for y'all. It is Q&A Tuesday after all, so there you go. Oh, and I almost forgot, please give your guy a thumbs up on this video. Thumbs ups count for a lot. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, this is the place you want to be for digital content, men's fashion, branding strategy, how to be better on social media, how to create better content straight from your phone, all these different things, okay? So subscribe. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.